Hello everyone, I'm Chandraprabha and welcome to Moonlight review. Today this is my first video in YouTube channel and so I'm quite nervous and excited too because today I'm going to unbox this Srimad Bhagavatam or Bhagavad Purana. Before starting the unboxing, I want to say you people that this Srimad Bhagavatam or Bhagavad Purana was originally said by Shukdev Goswami. If I'm not wrong, it's Shukdev Goswami only. Shukdev Goswami. Yes. Okay. And it has 18,000 verse. 18,000 verse from Canto 1 till 12th Canto. This was all about, and without any further delay, let's begin the unboxing. Okay. I will be using this scissor to open this. Okay. Sorry, I don't have any cutter, so please forgive me for that. And one thing, this has 18 volumes, so let's check it out. Okay, now this one. This book is so heavy. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Oh. You. See the thickness. Oh my god. It looks like a dictionary only. Okay. The front page look like this, and this one is the back. First Canto, His Divine Grace, Eshi Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada, founder Acharya of the International Society for Krishna Consciousness. International Society for Krishna Consciousness is the full form of ISKCON. Okay. This was the thing. I want to open this. The plastic I have to open. It's a hard cover, surely, yeah. Wow, it looks like this. Inside cover. So nice, right? Yeah. See the illustrations, wait. I will show the illustrations. Yeah, this one. It looks nice, right? Okay. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Let's skip it now. Here. Next book. Yeah, this one. The back side look like this. And it also read the same thing, except this is the second canto. I have to open this. With the scissor, I lost the scissor now. I kept it here only, yeah. I found it. See this one, and the back cover looks like this, you know that. And oh wow, the smell is too good. The pages are like totally new. Yeah, they have illustrations also. See, this is, I think, yeah, this is Swami Prabhupada. Yeah. See the illustration, oh my god. This one. Wow. Okay. This one. This one. Wow. So many illustrations, my goodness. Okay, this one and this one. I think this is the last. Yeah, done illustrations. Next book is this. Okay. And the back side looks like this. Let me open it. It's plastic. Yeah, done. This is the Fourth Canto, Part 2. Okay. This does not have an illustration. Okay. I'm keeping it here. Okay. This one is the Seventh Canto. Let me open it. And the back cover is like this. This is Narasimha. Okay. And it, I think, also does not have any illustration. Okay. So I'm keeping it here again. The next one is this one. This is the Ninth Canto. And the back cover looks like this. Okay. And the back is like this. Clearly now you can see. It also does not have any illustration. Okay. Next one is this. This is the 10th Canto, Part 2. Part 2, and the back side looks like this. And I'm going to open this. Yeah, clearly you can see. And this. Okay, I'm keeping it here. And the next book is this one. This is the 5th Canto, and it looks like the back cover looks like this. Looks like this. Now clearly you can see. And this one. Okay, done. Next is this one. This is the 3rd Canto, Part 2. And the back cover looks like this. Let me open it quickly. And the back cover, clearly you can see now. Okay, I'm keeping it here again. The next book is this one. This is the 6th Canto, and the back cover looks like this. Again, I will be showing you after opening the plastic. This one, now you can clearly see this. This one. Okay, I'm keeping it here again. Next book is this. The back cover is this, and it reads as the 8th Canto. Okay, fine. This is the Vaman avatar. Wait, let me show you. Let me open this. If I'm not wrong, this is the Vaman avatar of Vishnu. Yeah, the back side is this. Okay, the next book is this one. This is the 4th Canto, Part 1, and the back side looks like this. Okay, now clearly you can see this. The back side. Next is this. This is the 3rd Canto, Part 1. Okay, fine. The smell of these books are like phenomenal. I don't know how to express the feeling of this smell, but it's great. Like some agarbatti and all that. It smells like so good. Next is Okay, this is the third canto I told you. This is the 10th canto part 1. The back side looks like this. And I'm going to open this faster. Clearly now you can see. Wow. This one. So cute illustration, right? Oh my god. Okay, I will be keeping this arranged way. And the next book is this. And this. Okay, this is the 10th canto part 3. Okay. It's already open. I don't know why. The packaging is great. Okay, this actually came from ISKCON only. My uncle ordered this all book and it cost me 8,000 rupees. Okay, now the thing is that the packaging and everything, the quality of book is very fine. Now this is the 10th canto part 3. Okay, now clearly you can see this, and this looks like, the back side looks like this. Okay, I'm keeping it here. Next we have this book, and the back side looks like this, and it read as the 11th canto part 2. Okay. See, this one, and this is this one, the back cover. Okay, we have the last 3 book. So this is the 12th canto. Okay, and the back side is, this is the, I think this is the Kalki avatar of Vishnu. See this? This is the Kalki avatar, I'm sure. Yeah. This Kalki avatar is going to come in the Kali Yuga, at the end of Kali Yuga. Vishnu will take this avatar. I only know that thing. Rest I don't know anything. I will be reading. Then only I can review and give you some information about all the Kalki avatar information. Well, you can read Kalki avatar. There is a book. I forgot the author name. Forgive me for that. Okay, fine. This is the cover. And this is the back cover. The illustration is great. Okay. It smells so good, my goodness. And the last book. This is the last book. Okay, fine. And the back side looks like this. This is what? Okay, I don't know what is this. Okay, this is the 10th canto part 4. Okay, fine. Tantana. Clearly you can see now. Okay, done. Now done. Completed unboxing. Okay, now we will be counting the book. Like there will be 18 volumes. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and last is 18. The unboxing is done, and now I'm excited to read the books and will soon make the review too. And thanks for watching till the end. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And please give us a thumbs up and also comment in the comment box. Thank you so much, and I will be coming soon in the next video. Till then, please take care.